Chug-a-lugga, 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 woo, woo! The steam machine is on delivery!
Oh god, I can't see.
Good day!
Welcome to Basement Brews.
I'm TJ.
I am Troy.
Today, we're drinking...
Steam Whistle. Canada's premium Pilsner.
So what are we talking about?
The beer, of course. What do we all...
Oh yeah, the beer! We talk about beer on this show. That's why it's Basement Brews, right?
That's our thing. It's our thing to talk about
Because it's a beer show.
It is a beer
It's
show.
a beer show.
It's a special show.
And you're watching.
It's a special show,
It's a
TJ.
special, because it's the end of this season.
Yeah, the season finally. That's what you guys are thinking.
Yeah, finally. This fucking shit is over. But it's not over for long.
No, we'll be back. And bigger, stronger, and
Faster.
more erect than ever.
Drunker. No reason boners. Everywhere.
Your fucking face. I mean, can I have a beer, please?
I thought we were friends, man.
Yeah, I know.
Why don't you just take this fucking beer and fucking drink it?
Those are strong words, TJ.
Yeah. Here, I got one more for you. Drink! Fucking guy.
Drink.
Son of a fuck.
This game's stupid. I'm just gonna drink before you can say it.
Your game's stupid. Brewed at the Roundhouse, home of the steam locomotives that helped pioneer our nation. Steam Whistle brings you Canada's premium Pilsner. Celebrating an era of quality craftsmanship, we use just 4 natural ingredients. Pure spring water, malted barley, hops, and yeast.
You can really taste the yeast.
Let Steam Whistle be the reward at the end of your day. Cheers. It's from the good beer folks.
Cheers. You know what? Yeah, I'm like, this is how many now? 4 or 5 or whatever?
Some, it's beers.
3? No.
No.
Whatever. It's not as good as the first one now, and I don't know.
It's a little more bitter than I really like.
Yeah.
But it is quite popular around here.
Yeah, it's true.
It really is. You need a beer?
I would love a beer, bro.
I am, oh, well, I'm still drinking this.
Drink up, TJ!
Ooh.
Yeah, beer me. Beer me, bro.
So anyway.
Anyway. The can. The can, the can, the can.
It's green.
That's a green, man.
You know, I got these just for you. I know how much you love green.
I think I'm a blue guy, personally.
Blue gives me gas.
I like blue cans. I'm sick of green. Everything's green. Then all the cans are green, aren't they? Except for last week was... What did we do last? Laker? No.
Yeah, we did
Laker. It's neither here nor there.
You know,
the can, sorry.
yeah. All we've been drinking lately, other than Laker and the Pabst Blue Ribbon,
It's been green.
green.
Green
This is
cans.
like the season of green.
We'll have to change it up. We'll
Yeah.
have to change it up
Don't
in
worry.
the coming seasons.
Next-
Because we'll be back.
Yeah.
We'll be so fucking back.
We'll be back, and it won't be long.
I hope. Oh,
It won't be long.
no. Anyways, they also got this beautiful whistle here, and you can see what looks to me like steam or perhaps sound. Can we get up a close up on this can, Steve? Cool. Yeah, so yeah, this is a nice little banner. It says Steam Whistle. Of course it does, because that's the type of beer that it is.
Canada's premium Pilsner. It is independently brewed, I'll give it that.
And aside from that, there's a little silhouette of the nice Toronto Brewing Company at the bottom. It's pretty basic.
Yeah.
There's a nice Canadian flag on the back here, but it's a freaking can, and there's beer in there.
Ooh, there's a packaging date on this, so we know that we're getting fresh beer. Good job, Steam Whistle. Cheers to you.
Cheers.
Here.
That was so recently.
I know. It was like days ago.
Truly days ago.
This beer is pretty good.
Yeah.
The more I drink of it, the more I like it.
I like beer. I'm into beer.
I wonder how Scully would feel about this.
Has Scully seen Pilsner before? I must have. Alright. Break out Scully. I'm ready. Did you get a fucking haircut?
Yeah, man, I did.
You look like fucking Chef or something, man. Oh man, that's awesome.
Well, it's kind of a funny story, man. It went down like this.
We had a good run, you and me. I can't get a job like this. I need a job. Buy beer. Fuck. Hello? Haircut lady? It's time. Make sure I'm wearing pants. Alright, fine. Goodbye. Why does this look so familiar? Oh, yeah.
And so here I am. Look at this shit.
I don't care. How about them funnels, TJ?
All right, yeah, let's fucking get Scully out. I want to do one too this time.
Deal.
All right.
Season finale.
Woo! That was a little bit all right.
That was alright. I need another beer, TJ.
You know one? I get you another one.
Hit me, man.
Oh, don't tempt me.
Hear me, bud. Let's go.
The fuck? Why do I keep getting this?
Why is that even in your fridge? How long has that fucking thing been in there?
It was here when we moved in.
That's disgusting. I fucking dare you to drink it.
I'm not gonna drink this.
It is pretty fucking gross.
Come on, man.
I double fucking dare you. It's still beer. This is Basement Brews. Don't let me down, TJ.
It says it's clear and bright as mountain air. Wow, this beer's from 9/11.
It's dark, TJ.
13 years after 9/11. But it's from 9/11.
Well, it's an old beer.
Alright, man. I'm gonna drink this.
What, you don't like the bush?
I love the bush. Ugh! It tastes like my ball sack smells.
A little more.
Ugh. Ugh.
Talk to me about beer, TJ. Sing me sweet beer lullabies, man. No, because of the steam whistle. I understand fully. How she pours, let's find out. Let's not embarrass ourselves like that last time.
No, fuck that.
No, won't happen
Well,
again.
I mean, look
Yeah? Yeah! See, guys?
Woo.
Yeah, right? Alright.
You know what? I gotta say, beers always go down really quick and smooth in a glass, though.
They do, don't they?
You wanna watch me drink this?
Yeah, I'd love to. Your technique is flawless.
That is the season.
It's been fun, folks. Come back next time.
Cheers.
Yeah.
L'chaim. Skol. Kampai. Whatever other words you have for cheers.
Alright, fuck this. The mask is too much.
Ah,
Fuck that.
you are so right, dude.
I'm not doing that shit next season.
So much harder to drink through those things, too.
Oh, that's bullshit.
Alright. See you guys in a few weeks, months. We'll see you when we see you. We'll see you when we see you.
Nobody knows.
Till then, stay inebriated, drink responsibly, unless you're camping.
Or an alcoholic.
And have a good time all the time. I learned that from a movie.